Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will be adding the Google Drive power-up to our Trello board. We will go over how to add files from Google Drive and more. Let's get started. First, let's go to our power-ups and add a power-up. Click the menu on the top right and then click on power-ups. Next, let's go to the search bar here and type in Google Drive. Tap on the green button to add the Google Drive power-up. Once this is added, you can click on this power-up on the top right of the screen. You'll now be prompted to link your Google Drive account. Next, Google will pop up a warning saying Trello wants to access your account. Click Allow here. Let's now click on any random card. You will now see the Google Drive power-up is listed underneath the power-ups menu. Click Google Drive. Here you can create and attach files directly from Trello, attach a file, and attach a folder. Attaching a file and attaching a folder is from Google Drive. Click on Create and Attach. You will be able to create a blank Google Sheet directly from Trello. Let's click on Create Google Sheets. Once this is pressed, it may take a minute to create. Once it is added, you can see it is created as an attachment. You can also click Edit in Google Docs and be brought directly to the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Let's do this now. Click here. You can now see we are in the spreadsheet we created directly from Trello. Let's add some random data in a few cells. Wait for the Google autosave to finish, as shown here. You can hover over this icon to see the document status. Let's close out of Google Sheets. Head back over to our Trello board. Let's now click on the attachment again. You can see the random data we added from Google Sheets has now been automatically saved with the attachment in Trello. This is extremely versatile when pairing this with mobile versions of both applications. You can also attach a file directly from a document you created previously by clicking on the Google Drive power-up, attach a file, and clicking and selecting on any file you wish. I prefer to have larger and more sensitive files on Google Drive rather than on Trello. You can link from Trello and still use it for organization. If you have multiple members on a board, you will also need to give them access to the Google Drive in order to have them be able to look at the document information. That's it for today's quick video. If you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing for more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.